into the core extension, and after you've done this, click the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner. This will open up the menu with a few different options. Select swap. From the drop-down menu, select the tokens that you'd like to swap. In this case, I want to swap USDC to AVAX. I'm going to do the full amount. After inputting this, it will preload and show you exactly how much AVAX you'll get. You can click this drop-down menu to see more information about the rate, the slippage tolerance, which you can set, the network fee as well, which is automatically set to instant. After reviewing these details, click Review Order. From there, it'll give you a click Swap Now. The swap will pend, and once it's complete, it will notify you that the swap was successful, and you can view this in the Explorer. For any additional questions, please reach out to support.avox.network, and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.